In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize pipeline stages in HubSpot Sales Hub. Whether you're new to HubSpot or simply looking to streamline your sales process, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. So let's jump right in. First things first, launch your preferred web browser and navigate to the HubSpot homepage. Once you're there, you'll notice the familiar layout of HubSpot's web interface. In the top right corner, click on the Login button. Enter your login details to access your HubSpot account. If you're new to HubSpot, you will need to create an account before proceeding, but for today, let's assume you're all set to go. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. From here, look for the CRM option on the main navigation bar. Clicking this will direct you to where you need to manage your customer relationships effectively. HubSpot's CRM is quite intuitive and is designed to make tracking and managing deals easier. Now turn your attention to the Deals section, which should be prominently displayed in your CRM dashboard. Clicking on Deals gives you access to the current deals pipeline, offering you a bird's eye view of the ongoing processes. It's a vital tool for tracking the progress of your sales endeavors and seeing where each prospect stands in your pipeline. Next, locate and click on the Settings icon, which is usually represented by a gear symbol. This section allows you to customize various aspects of your HubSpot experience, including your pipelines. Within the settings menu, you'll see an option for pipelines. Go ahead and click on this. Pipelines are basically visual representations of your sales process, helping you see how a lead moves through your organization until it's closed. It's crucial to have a well-structured pipeline to ensure your sales team knows exactly what needs to happen at each stage of the buyer's journey. Find and click on the specific Deals pipeline link. This action will bring up the current pipeline structure, revealing all the stages that are in place and providing options for customization. Here you have the freedom to add new stages, remove old ones, or simply rename stages to better reflect your business processes. And there you have it, a straightforward way to add and customize pipeline stages in HubSpot Sales Hub. By following these steps, you ensure your pipeline is tailored to your business needs, allowing for a more effective and streamlined sales process. So take a moment now to review your current setup, tweak what's necessary, and watch as these improvements drive efficiency and success in your sales team. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please leave a comment below with any questions or feedback. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.